guys, I will be looking through to see what they have on the racks, and I'll be selecting a few things. So I'll show you guys what I'm supposed to choose and what I'll be able to style, which is kind of hard because I have to select things that I can style as a modest woman. So I'll try and look into the shoe part and then the bag, and then I'll stay away from the dresses, which is what I do in a store. Then I'll look at the shoes, the bags, and then I'll check blazers and things I can cover up. So when when I'm able to find a few things, then I'll go back to dresses and see if I like anything. So yeah, let's start this hunt. So I like this one. I think this is cute. I don't know if you guys can see it here. It's like this mustard. Anyway, let's check for more. Because these are cute, but they're like nurses' shoes. And it's 21.9. Ugh. Let me try. I have to look for a 38. This is a 39. Let me try a 39. I think it's 39, but I can try. And I've been looking for another white. Okay, so nope, not my size. But I'm sure. You guys, I spotted this cute ass. I think it's a sweat. I'm not even looking at it twice. But this is very small. I'm just catching the whole store. And this is a cute sneakers, but I'm not looking for sneakers, so I'm looking to get sneakers. This is so cute. Yeah. It has a bunch. I'm talking when you want to have a quick pop of print under a jacket or something different under your jacket. Mom jeans. I've been looking for mom jeans. I have one, but it's not this color. It's like a brighter blue. Let me look for my size. I think it should be a US 2. I'll try this size. This one. You know. So we can do one more one more thing, right? Glasses.
Yeah.
One more glass. I've seen so much.
You have something like this.
Okay.
Can take this one.
Let me look at it. I don't know if I should get this one or this one. I'll choose one. I'll choose both. I'm not sure. So hot. Decided to do a haul for you guys. I'm just going to show you guys what I got and what I was able to find and other things that I saw but I didn't want to get. So if you didn't know, if you didn't watch the video, which I'm sure I don't know how you got here without watching the video. This is all I got from Mango. This is like a big pack, and there are just one thing here that I didn't have one. Like I wore it immediately I got it from the store, which is the sunglasses, so it's not included in this haul. But I'm just going to show you guys. There's some things I got and there's some things I got I bought with my money because I really liked them. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this denim jeans. I bought this mom jeans from them at Mango. The problem with the thing with this, because I always wanted a mom jeans that was this shade of blue, dark blue, that I could wear with anything, and it's pretty high waist. But I think I got a US 2. I'm going to wear it and show you guys what it looks like. But when I wore it, it was a bit tight here, and then it was when the this is not my size. Then I don't know, like I don't think I can work with that kind of jeans, because I have to find the one that is both my size on my waist and not too tight on like my legs, which is, I don't like to wear tight jeans. So it's just weird for me, and I hope I'm able to wear it, because I know that if I go back and try a US 4, it's going to be big on the waist for me, because I usually wear US 2 for my waist. So if I try a US 4, it's going to be too big. But I really love it. It has this high waist thing, and it's just a regular jeans, but a regular mom jeans. I got this one for 21,900. The next item I'm going to show you guys is this jacket like top that I got. I almost forgot that I got this. So this is like a black top, but then it's a jacket. So I'm thinking, okay, I could wear this with a turtleneck. I can even wear it with the animal skin turtleneck I got. But this is just like a regular fabric, and this is also 21.9. It is it has this detail on here that you can open and close. And the next item I got is this sweatshirt that you guys obviously saw that I really liked in the video. So this sweatshirt is I don't think it will be as free as I like my sweatshirt to be. It's a bit like snug, a tiny bit like than a regular sweatshirt. This is also 21.9, which I think is that's like the normal price in the store. But I got this sweatshirt. I really love this sweatshirt, and I'll be wearing it very soon. Another item that I liked that I bought was this, because everybody knows that I like the turtleneck, and like turtleneck is my thing. I like to wear a turtleneck on my piece, on like under anything I wear, because it's high and then your neck doesn't show as much, and then you can wear a jacket on it, which a turtleneck just takes jacket like to a fashionable level. So for turtlenecks, I got this really cute but a see-through turtleneck in animal skin, which I really like. I like that it adds like a pop of something, a pop of color, a pop of print. It adds like a pop of print to your look, and I can't wait to just try and experiment to see what I can wear this with. It's kind of see-through. It's very see-through, so I have to wear like something inside before I wear something on top, which I'm used to. Is fine. I can layer as much as I buy things with the intention that I will end up layering everything, so it's fine. But I really like this also. And the last thing I got, because everything is under a budget of 100k, just let you know guys, like all these things I'm showing you is under a budget of 100k. The last one I got including the glasses, which I'll just include in the try on video, but I can't find it inside my bag. I'm sure it's in the car or something. I wore it anyway. So the last two items I got was I wanted to get an accessory because I really like mango and anyway, because I really like mango and the accessory, I got this really cute earrings. If you guys can see, they're supposed to be for the same ear, but I love the ear when earrings are mismatched and have two different ears on like the for one earring. So I really like this one was for $9.99, and yeah, I really love this. So one of my best things that I got. And accessory I got is this necklace, which I love to just so easy to just place and like take your casual outfits like another level. So I got this one also. It has this really cute pendant on like the neck. Okay, if you guys can see. So I really like the pendant they had. So it's just something you can just pull on, like it's very chic, and you can just take your outfit to the next level. So that is all I got using my gift card for 100,000 naira. Most of the things I got was 21.9. I didn't get any shoes because I think I have enough shoes. I didn't want to get more bags, but I saw this bag when I was on my way out and I had to buy it. So this was bought by myself. I really like this. It's this cute. And I don't have black bags. I think I have only one black bag, so I needed this one. So I'll probably be carrying it everywhere, but I love the handle. I love this iron handle it has on the body, and then I like that it's small, like it's not my like kind of tiny bag, but then it's also a mini bag, so which is so me, and I really like this. So I'm going to be carrying this often because it's black and then it goes with anything. And I like how it's not also plain, it has this little alligator or yeah, skin. So guys, that is all I got in the haul, and that's all I got in the shopping, which is it might not be a lot, but yeah. So you can check out their store and see what they have. They have so many amazing things, and I'm sure you will find something. I am very sure you will find something in the store. They have so many amazing things. You can look through my video and see like which things you have an eye on. My fave in the video was the black shoe with the wooden handle, which is on trend now, and if you want to get your hands on that, you can do that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like. Thank you so much. Bye.